Hello and welcome. We are here today with James Larson, who is president of Cass Precision Machining. I'm Becky Amble, and you know I like to do a lot of things AI, and had a great conversation with James because he likes to do things AI as well. One of the topics that he has been using AI for is knowledge-based, as a knowledge-based assistant. So James, want to tell us a little bit about what you did?
Yeah, I think this is a really intriguing way to use AI, I think, and we're still learning a lot about it. But basically, what we've been able to do is create an AI model where we upload company procedures, documentation, various things that we have about how people accomplish their work. And then this knowledge-based assistant is then trained on that information and has the large language model like ChatGPT or something else behind it. So then if someone here in the organization has a question of how to do something, how do I run this machine? How do I perform this activity in the system or whatever? All they have to do is type that question into the chatbot. And because the um, the model is trained on our procedures, it looks there first to provide an answer to that question. So if somebody's new or they're training in a new role, or they just plain don't remember how to do something and they might be a little afraid to ask somebody, it's real easy to just sit down and ask that chatbot a question.
Sounds like a great idea. And I bet if you're doing some cross training, this can be a great tool.
That is an excellent thought. It absolutely is. And it makes it almost friction free to ask that question that you might be embarrassed to ask otherwise.
Now, people might be wondering when you're creating your own chat bot or bot, were you concerned about security? Did you do anything special to make sure this information, because you're uploading, as you said, company information? Is there anything special that people need to think about when that issue comes up?
Yeah, for sure. Data privacy and security is a really big question here. So we're at the beginning stages of working with a partner who specializes in this kind of thing and can guarantee that our company data is secure and isn't shared to train the large language model. So it's if you think of it's almost like a VPN where everything that we have is really private and it's not shared outside of our organization.
That sounds excellent. And for most people, I think they get a little nervous sometimes, especially with a new technology, and they have to worry about sharing anything that could be proprietary. Do you know which model this is going to run on? Is this a Chat GPT? Is it something else?
It's mostly Chat GPT. They do a little bit of work with Claude as well. And I think as we learn and they learn, we'll center up on the right model that works best for us.
All right, James, thank you so much. That was a very interesting use of artificial intelligence.